Hey guys, it's Ashley from Noche De Reviews, and today we're unboxing Noche De Amor. This is a date night in a box. It's a monthly subscription created by a new mom who had not had a date night in like 6 months. And she just was like, if I can't go out, we'll have a date night in. So the idea is that each month you'll get different activities to do with your partner. It's $37.95 a month, and then they do have reduced prices for longer subscriptions. I will link down below to my full review so you can check that out. I will also link to Noche De Amor so you can check them out if you're interested. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out together. All right, so we've popped this baby. Here's what it looks like. Loving you is as sweet as ice cream. Ice cream instructions. Oh, so we're going to be making ice cream? How cool is that? And then here, drawing in the dark. There will be 4 categories to choose from. The player who's drawing picks the category, and the other will choose a word from the category to draw. You will put the blindfold on and try to draw it as exact as possible. The twist is you can't lift the chalk off the board. If the drawing is most accurate to the word, you get a point. Whoever gets 5 first wins. You can play as many rounds as you like. And so here are the items in that little game. So that's cute. Here are, says love, and it's wrapped up. I don't know what these are. Oh, this is really fun. There's a lot of little cute items in here. Love letter. Oh, so it's like an ad lib. So you fill in like this to your partner. When we first met, you looked blank, and an adjective, and blank. I couldn't believe my blank. You smelled like blank and walked as graceful as a blank. Oh my god, that's actually really funny. So that's fun. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have fun with that because we're not gonna like fill those in like romantically. That's not our way. It's just not our way. All right. So I don't know if they're all the same, but we'll find out in the full review. I like how they're wrapped though. How cute are they? Just so cute. All right, next we have hot fudge. So we're gonna make some hot fudge. There's that, and the recipes, these little cards are really cool. I like those. Then we've got a little, I guess this is to do our chalkboard thing. Here's the chalk. So there's that. That's pretty neat. And then we have some Ziploc bags. And here's our chocolate. Here's our rainbow sprinkles for our ice cream. Haribo Goldie Bears. Some little ice cream cups. How cute! Some little spoons. Some Oreo cookies to crunch up in there. Vanilla extract. And rock salt. So I think this is like ice cream salt. It helps to cool whatever it is that you're making. I actually just used this with the kids in a kids subscription box not too long ago. Tablespoon of sugar, add more. You're not eating the salt, yes, because it's not edible. It's not edible, but when it's next to a cold item, it makes it super cold. So we're gonna do this. Is actually really cool. I'm actually really excited for this. So if you're interested in my full review, that's everything that came in the box. I should say that too. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I will also link to Noche De Amor. But this is a really cute way to spend like quality time with your partner. And I think these activities are probably the coolest I've ever gotten. Like sometimes like just talking and like, oh, let's communicate. Like sometimes doing stuff is really cool. And like doing something like making ice cream, that's not something we do often. In fact, we've never done it. So if you're interested in seeing all those antics, check out the full review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.